At the heart of the Aetherion series lies Awol Vision's groundbreaking PixelLock technology. This isn't just any alignment system, it's a masterful blend of optical precision, mechanical engineering, and digital calibration that virtually eliminates pixel drift and color fringing. The result? Razor-sharp images and vibrant, true-to-life colors even on massive screens. Pixel drift and color fringing can ruin the viewing experience on ultra-short-throw projectors, especially at large sizes. But with PixelLock, every detail stays crisp and every edge perfectly defined. Brightness and contrast are equally impressive. The Aetherion Max shines at 3300 ISO lumens, while the Pro offers a solid 2600 ISO lumens. Both models deliver a native contrast ratio of 6,000 to 1, supporting cutting-edge HDR formats like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, and Filmmaker Mode. Dynamic tone mapping and enhanced black level processing ensure every scene bursts with depth and realism, from the darkest shadows to the brightest highlights. Gamers, listen up. The Aetherion series isn't just about stunning visuals, it's built for ultra-responsive gameplay. With input lag as low as 1 millisecond at 240 Hz, plus support for variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode, you're getting smooth, tear-free action tailored for next-gen consoles and high-performance PCs. Add Dolby Vision Gaming support, and your games will look better and play faster than ever. On the software front, both projectors run Google TV on Android TV 14, powered by a robust MediaTek MT9655 chipset, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 gigs of internal storage. Streaming, apps, and cloud gaming, all buttery smooth thanks to Gigabit Ethernet and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. The Aetherion Max is priced at $4,499, with the Pro starting at $3,499. Mark your calendar for March 2026 when these game-changing projectors hit the market. But don't miss the early bird Kickstarter campaign launching in late January, offering special bundles and exclusive pricing. Awol Vision's Aetherion series redefines what ultra-short-throw projectors can do, delivering unparalleled image quality, HDR brilliance, and lightning-fast gaming performance, all wrapped in sleek, compact designs.